Welcome to this beginner's guide to Debank Coinbase Wallet integration. In this tutorial we will walk you through the process of connecting your Coinbase wallet to Debank, a popular platform for tracking and managing cryptocurrency assets. To start, you need to have a Coinbase wallet account and a Debank account. If you don't have one, create them first. Once you have both accounts, go to the Debank website and log into your account. Next, click on the Add Wallet button and select Coinbase Wallet from the list of available wallets. You will be redirected to the Coinbase Wallet website where you will be prompted to enter your email address and password to authorize the connection. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Debank website where you will see your Coinbase Wallet account connected. You can now view your Coinbase wallet balance and transaction history on the Debank dashboard. One of the key benefits of integrating your Coinbase wallet with Debank is that you can track your cryptocurrency assets in one place. Debank supports over 100 blockchains and 500 protocols, making it a powerful tool for managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. To get the most out of the integration, make sure to explore the various features and tools offered by Debank, such as portfolio tracking, transaction tracking, and price alerts. You can also use Debank to track your cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. In terms of security, make sure to use two-factor authentication on both your Coinbase wallet and Debank accounts to protect your assets from unauthorized access. Also, be careful when sharing your wallet address or seed phrase with anyone. In conclusion, integrating your Coinbase wallet with Debank is a straightforward process that can help you track and manage your cryptocurrency assets more effectively. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Debank to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio today.